Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. So today is a very special day in my life. I don't know how you may think like this whole thing is special, but it's really, really special for me because I'm going to be at one of the places I've been dreaming about. Yes. So today I'm going to hang out with my colleagues at Safari Valley in Ijukum. So stay tuned to this video as I bring you the most exciting and interesting things, activity check. Yeah, so I was looking more sporty and also simple and nice because, yeah. So this is us on the way, trying to like enjoy the view and all of that. Yeah. Okay, so there's this other thing. The team didn't know that we're going to do like a stopover somewhere. So we're going to actually surprise them in Kota Cinema Waterfalls. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we are at the Cinema Waterfalls. It's actually supposed to be a surprise because I didn't want to tell you guys. Yeah. But then, hey, see this boy is inspiring my video. Okay, guys, so watch out. We are going to a cinema. A cinema waterfall. Hey. So it's actually about 5 minutes walk. Yeah, I think between 3 to 5 minutes walk from the entrance, or let me say from the beginning of the whole waterfalls thing, from beginning to like where the fall actually is. It's about 3 to 5 minutes walk. Yeah, it's not anything hectic. It's just the normal level ground. Just walk, and boom, finally we got to the waterfall. It's actually not big like Boti Falls, but trust me, it's so cool over here, and it's just a beautiful sight to see. Like, it's just nice. Trust me, it's really, really nice. Yeah. I'm just going to stand here, so just hold it. I'm just going to stand here. It's a beautiful place. Yes, guys, it's so beautiful. This is a cinema So we didn't spend much time here at a cinema waterfalls, and then straight we headed to Safari Valley because that was more like the focus. Jigga, that was like the focus of the whole trip. That was actually the destination of this trip. So we finally got to Safari Valley, and oh my goodness, the place is very beautiful. Trust me, like, it's very, very beautiful. I'm not saying this because it's actually one of the places I really wanted to be at or anything of that sort, but it's really, really beautiful, right? The entrance, oh my goodness, the entrance has is actually shaped in a leaf turned upside down. If you didn't get it, just go back and really watch it. It's actually a leaf turned upside down, and oh my goodness, the interior decor, the place is just nice. It's just nice. It's just a beautiful place to be. Trust me, guys. So yes, that was me trying to view the place, enjoy the whole place, and I'm like, A girl gotta do an outfit check again. So yeah, that's me doing a mirror picture taking, feeling myself. So yes, there's this other thing. Yes, so after the reception, they actually use carts to like transport you to the place itself. So whilst on your way to the place itself, you are being given like a tour guide. They tell you the history about the place, and they tell you so many things, the vision of the place and all of that. So such a beautiful place. Yeah, a very, very beautiful place. Yeah. So that's me over there trying to try how to play an archery. Yes, I think there's an archery. I've played it before, but I don't know why today did. I was just like, I didn't even know what I was doing. So I was like, Charlie, I'm tired of this game. Let me try something new. Let me try something different. So that's me going to try something different. Yeah. That's the name. So guys, I'm trying a particular game called the cornhole. Yes, so we are trying. So we had lots of games to do, lots of activities to do. We tried this, is it cornhole or something? I've actually forgotten. We tried this game. We tried I think a scoring game too was there. There are lots of games at this place, guys, like lots of games. They have a basketball court, a football pitch, they have a volleyball court. Like, they have lots of games. Trust me, lots of games. Oh, gosh. So we really, really did enjoy the place. And see, there's no trip without a pool. Like, you definitely need to be in a pool. So, guys, finally, we enjoyed the place and it was time for us to leave. I didn't show much because... See, I'm sorry guys, but my phone went off at a point, so I couldn't really capture lots of moments. But don't worry, I still have more for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please share. Thank you so much.